Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com, the website that helps you take your English to the next level. I'm Mark, and today's topic is one of the most confusing grammar points for English learners. Present perfect versus past simple. In other words, what's the difference between have you ever been to London and did you ever been to London? Or I saw that movie last week versus I have seen that movie last week. Don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll feel a lot more confident about using these two tenses correctly. What's the difference? Well, let's start with a quick overview. Present perfect equals have or has plus the past participle. You know, that third form of the verb, eat, ate, eaten. For example, I have eaten breakfast. We use the present perfect to talk about life experiences. I've been to France. Unfinished time periods. I've worked a lot this week. And recent news. She's lost her phone. However, past simple equals verb plus ed or irregular form. An example of this is I ate breakfast. And we use the past simple for completed actions in the past, or when we say when something happened. I saw that movie last night. Last night is kind of like a timestamp in that sentence. And speaking of timestamps, here's a helpful shortcut. If you say when it happened, like yesterday and 2019 last week, we use past simple. For example, I went to Paris in 2019. That's correct. Not, I have gone to Paris in 2019. But if you're not saying when or the time period is still happening, like today, this week, this year, we need to use present perfect. For example, I've eaten sushi this week. We wouldn't say, I ate sushi this week. Well, it is possible, but it sounds like the week is finished. Now, let's listen to a few examples you might hear in conversations. Have you ever been to New York? Yeah, I went there last summer. In this short conversation, have you ever been is present perfect. There's no specific time. But I went last summer is past simple. We know when it happened. Here's another one. I've studied English for 5 years. I studied English in high school. The first one is still true now. It's present perfect. But the second one is a finished time in the past, and that's past simple. Now, I do have practice tips for you. Try this exercise. Think of 3 things you've done in your life, but don't say when. Then, think of 3 things you did last week or last year, and include the time. For example, I've met a famous singer. I've eaten bugs before. Or, I've never ridden a horse. And for the second set, we might say, I saw Superman last weekend. I visited Kyoto in 2022. Or, I cooked dinner yesterday. This practice round that you're doing here will help you feel the difference naturally. So let's review. You can use present perfect when you're talking about life experiences, when you're not saying when, and the time period is still happening. You use past simple when you're talking about a finished time. You say when it happened, or when the action is 100% complete. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped you, share it with a friend who's also learning English. Or even better, challenge them to a grammar quiz. And don't forget to visit me at mksenglish.com and sign up for your first free face-to-face lesson with me. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.